Daigle team. Welcome to this month's Daigle Safety Talk. Today we'll be covering heat stress. What is heat stress? Heat stress occurs when the body is unable to cool itself by sweating. Heat stress can lead to heat exhaustion or heat stroke. Symptoms of heat exhaustion: headache, dizziness, lightheadedness, or fainting, weakness and moist skin, mood changes, irritability or confusion, nausea or vomiting. Symptoms of heat stroke: dry, hot skin with no sweating, mental confusion or loss of consciousness, seizures or convulsions, and it may be fatal. Here are some ways to prevent heat exhaustion or heat stroke. Knowing the signs and symptoms of heat-related illnesses, blocking out the sun or other heat sources, using a fan or AC unit. In high heat, drinking 1 cup of water every 15 minutes, wearing lightweight, light-colored, and loose-fitting clothing, avoiding caffeinated drinks and heavy meals, wearing sunscreen SPF 30 or greater, and reapplying every 2 hours. And last but not least, stay hydrated. Drink water or sports drinks. Eat fruit and vegetables. Avoid soda and cola. Water helps with avoiding heat cramps, headaches, heat exhaustion, and low blood pressure. Last but not least, you should know how to treat these illnesses. You'll want to seek medical attention immediately, either going to medical care, urgent care, or calling 911. Inform your supervisor of the incident. While waiting for any medical attention, you'll want to move this employee to a cool, shaded area. Loosen or remove heavy clothing. Provide cool drinking water, and fan and mist the person with water. So these are some tips that we want to use as we get into the summer months. It's a great time for us to be outside doing things, but it also can be dangerous as well. So let's make sure that we're staying hydrated and we're wearing the proper clothing in order to maintain our body heat and allow us to do the best that we can in the field. Thank you for listening to this month's Daigle Safety Talk. I hope that you have a great month and a great start to your spring. Bye-bye.